What up, guys? Panda Taco coming at you with the all-new install video for my Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro, and that's for the 2017. I'm going to be installing this bracket here for my sPOD, my HD touchscreen sPOD to be exact. Right now I have it located on my driver's side's vent, and I'm going to be replacing that new setup with this new bracket that has a ram ball mount from sPOD exactly, and I will show you guys that here in a sec, but stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, so this is the new sPOD mounting bracket that mounts right behind your cubby, and I'll show you what the cubby looks like before, and this is essentially what it's going to look like after. All you have to do is pop this little cubby off. It's plastic, so it shouldn't be too hard. Pop this off. There's four screws right behind these, and that's where those screws will screw right into this bracket. It does come with a ram ball for your ram mount, and it has this hole for that Ethernet cable that sPOD provides you. Pretty much it's the power cable. So I'm going to have to drill a hole right there in the cubby. No big deal, because no one's going to see that, because the bracket's going to be covering that up. So, let me know what you guys think. If you guys have seen this bracket or installed on someone else's Tacoma 3rd gen, let me know what you guys think, if it's a good solution for what I have right now, or if you guys think that the new TPAM dash mount, I believe it's called, that goes right here, is a better solution, or if you guys like that Rago Fabrications mount that comes across, and what setup works best for you. Not everybody's the same. For me, like I mentioned earlier, I like a clean setup in my truck. I don't like too many things congested in this area. As of right now, that may change a year or two from now, but again, I like more of a clean setup, more of a stock look on the interior. So let me know what you guys think. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you like the channel, subscribe, and thanks for watching.
Got this taken out.
This cable beneath here. Oh wow, I just found a bunch of spider webs. Would you look at that? Cobwebs. Nice. Alright guys, so this is the finished product I have here, and it was a pretty straightforward and simple install. It took me about 5 minutes, even with the little hiccup that I had earlier in the video. I'll show you guys here the little cubby. I ended up drilling a hole thinking that the Ethernet cable, and I'll show you guys that Ethernet cable that's plugged in, the power switch for the sPOD touchscreen here, I thought that was going to have to go through this, right? And then the screws were going to go in through here, and this was going to hold the bracket in place. But what I noticed is that the bracket only needed the screws. So I ended up drilling this hole for no good reason, and wishing and hoping, not hoping, but wishing that I would have probably picked up the instructions and, you know, would have saved this little cubby from drilling a hole, even though I probably won't use this cubby ever again. But like I said, I think if I had to do this project over again, it is a clean install. It does utilize my RAM mount, but I'm kind of curious now. It got me thinking that you almost don't need the RAM mount, and you almost don't need this bracket, because with this hole, if you guys want to drill a hole to fit your power cable, you don't have to pop, you know, this entire plastic housing off. You literally just take a drill bit, drill a hole, run your Ethernet cable, let's see if you guys can see that, Ethernet cable to the back of your sPOD, and then hop on Amazon for whatever 3mm tape, double-sided tape is, put it right here, stick it right here, maybe a little bit up on the top, and you can literally just tape it to the plastic cubby, which I know isn't probably the most rugged and durable mounting option, but if you guys are looking for a quick fix and you don't want to take up your air vents, or you don't want to put it up here on your dash, or whatever, you want like a clean install, I think that would be a pretty cool DIY project. So, you know, maybe just for in the future, I'll do that project. If you guys want that project to be done, let me know. I'll just do it for fun to see if it works, and that way it saves you guys $60 is what I paid for this sPOD bracket. So it's $40 on their website. Go ahead and close this door. It was $40 on their website and $20 for shipping and handling. So that would save you guys $60 from sPOD. And, you know, a quick do-it-yourself project for $5, just buying tape, double-sided tape, and just taping it to your cubby. I think that would be a very interesting project. I'm very curious to kind of check that out and to see if that would work, you know, in hopes of, you know, not having to buy that bracket, which is very costly in my mind. But if you guys had the $60 to spend, it is a great addition to the truck. It is a great mounting option if you already have a RAM mount, which, you know, most of you guys I'm sure will, because this sPOD HD, and, you know, I think the touchscreens come with a little RAM ball mount included already when you purchase them with the sPOD. But if, like I said, if you guys have $60 and you don't mind spending the $60 for a clean install or a quick install that you don't have to do any drilling to your cubby, then go ahead, do that. But if you guys don't mind drilling into your cubby, which no one will ever see, and spending $5-6 on double-sided sticky tape, I think that might be the route to go for guys that are trying to go a little bit cheaper and save some money. But again, it's up to you guys. Let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment down in the description below. If you guys have other mounting options that you guys have done, you know, let me know. Let me know how it worked out for you guys. And if you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys like the channel, go ahead and subscribe. And Panda Taco out. Thanks for watching.